All right. And we're back at it. We'll do the primary first. You don't need a compression tool on this one. It ain't much pressure on it, like most. Of course, while you got this apart, you're gonna want to clean it and go through it. Take your old spring off, your bushing, set to the side. Let me grab the kit. All right, kit there. That's what you're gonna need for this part. You wanna take this out. Clean your spring keeper and also the seat that it's gonna set in. Perfect. All right, we'll drop this back in with the nipple pointing up. Next, you're gonna drop in the supplied washer they send, spring they send. Same thing here. Kind of wipe down everything. Drop it back on, and you're going to Loctite these units in. Quick. Trying to move too fast. Drop the bushing back in. Spring. Drop it back on. Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect. Last one. Oh, yeah. All right. Run them down evenly. You want a holder. Get a few jiggles. All right. I like to spray kind of spray them out a little bit. When you drop them in, that little nub right here that's sticking out, that's gonna go up. Up. Up like my taxes. Shake it. Same thing. Nub up. Shakety, shakety. Nub up. At that point, the primary's done. I like to take a Scotch-Brite and lightly go over that. Just try to clean it up some. I think it helps the belt grip a little better. All right, on to the secondary. All right. Take a little bit there. Just barely. I mean, ain't no pressure at all. You just walk it out of the way. You come in here. You're gonna take out these two secondary ramps here. Oh yeah, the Loctite is strong in this one. Over here. Just like so. Oh yeah, good old Loctite.